Hello racers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a fantastic year-end holiday season. I know it's not been the best with the pandemic going on, but hopefully you're all staying safe and keeping clean and staying healthy. That's really what matters the most. Well, anyways, today we have a very special unboxing. In my hands, right here in front of you, I have the NEO-VQS Advanced Pack. And this is one of the best things that Tamiya has produced and released for the Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive community. This Advanced Pack is chock full of optional parts. As you can see on the front box, there's just so much that's included. It's way more advanced than the other ones that they've released, the FMA Balance Pack or the MA Starter Pack or the AR Starter Pack. Is this better than the MS Evo, VS Evo, and Super XX Evo? Probably, because this one includes so much good stuff. And I'm here to show you what they have. So let's see. First of all, you have the box, and forgive me for the glare of the lighting. But we do have the NEO-VQS body that's attached to the VZ chassis, which came out last year in 2020. It's a smoke body, so it's basically a black special. And you're going to get a lot of different parts on this kit. So here, there's a listing here, 12 different items. And most importantly, there's going to be a light dash motor that's included right here. You can see that, and there's various front and rear FRP plates, side dampers, carbon gear, counter gears, 3.7 to 1 gear ratio, mass dampers, and brake sets too. So this is one of the best. Oh, and let's not forget the cap screws. So that's very important, especially for the front rollers, which do take a lot of the banging on the track walls. This is item 95598. Goes for about 2,800 yen, which is about $28, $30 US. So yeah, as you can see, it's made in Japan 2020. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I've already taken off the clear plastic wrap. You can see inside, first you get the various brake sets, the pink, which is the harder, not harder, but more rough. And then the blue, which is less rough, it's more smooth. Here you get all the FRP plates, the side dampers, the regular AR front and rear. You got the Super X, this one's the Super X plate, and then the very coveted rear brake set plate, which you can actually put this in the front, and there's so many ways to modify this. So it's a very good piece to have. Next you have the yellow wheels. Nothing too special there, it's just yellow, but they went with this color scheme. You got super hard tires, these are chassis, which I don't think it's reinforced, but with everything else that's come out, it's already pretty good. It's very light chassis, by the way. The other parts you get here, they include the low friction rollers and mass dampers for the side and rear. They also give you the light dash motor and the 3.7 to 1 gear ratio with carbon crown gears. NEO-VQS body comes in smoke, so that's really good when you paint up the rest of the body or apply the decals and leave the cockpit window translucent. That gives it a nice look. And they've done something different here. They've given the A parts very translucent yellow color, which I don't know if I'm a fan of. It might look cool, You can see the gear casing. Those are cool. I'm just not sure with the rest of the chassis. And in my experience, the translucent pieces do tend to be a little bit more fragile, especially if it's the main chassis. But this is the A part, so hopefully no issues there. It does look good with the yellow. Decals, very small decal set. Nothing much to say here. It does say advanced pack, so that's good. And wow, this is the instruction manual. This will detail how to install and build this kit up. I'm just going through a couple of these pages, but it does include different ways, not different ways, but all the instructions to include all the different parts. Yeah, it's very reminiscent of the MS Evolution instruction manual, and it's very good. I like it. So anyways, there you have it. That is the NEO-VQS Advanced Pack unboxing. I do want to build this up later and test run it on my track at home just to see how it runs. And other than that, I feel like it's a really good value. You know, this is great for the tune class. All you have to do is include some ball bearings for the chassis, for the gears and the rollers. But most of all these parts that they give you, it's already a great starter. Yeah, it says advanced pack, but it can be a starter set, and this is great for just getting into the hobby. You have a very, you're almost competitive. You just need some minor tune-ups, and this kit can do wonders at your local racetrack. So I hope you like this unboxing. More to come in the future. Yeah, stay safe, be healthy, stay distant, and I will have another video soon. Thank you.